Argentini thunno klao Iman kaishano buscango tonu Chirik bokro bai tung flajak jora Ongkor kachung bukaponu Shabo jeno shabo kuplayang no Joto ni kawo no shung lai ja Jani jani hamzang ma bodal no Orang kotor bai pan ru lai ja Shatung tung ke bahadli ko bon rui Wati wan ke bahar pe gru charu Tung lai nai Ya ke hari pan ke bunai Tung lai nai Ya ke hari pan ke bunai Mano eren chung tibiya with choi sha mungo chung te pa lai na chele de chung no go a chu gui tong ya with chung no kla phai chin chung ya prishera tung lai nai ya ke hari man ke punai tung lai nai ya ke hari man ke punai Maika aspiration, Marika attention. Tonight on order like Jack full attention. Sabo paino, sabo jeno, climb my mansion. Get him one, I'm a kupulung, joto ni emotion. Ongkor kachung tini tung no klao. Iman kaishano buscango tonu Chirik bokro bai tung flajak jora Ongkor kachung bukaponu Shabo jeno shabo kuplayang no Joto ni kawo no shung lai ja Jani hamzang ma bodal no Orang kotor bai pan ru lai ja Shatung tung ke bahadli ko bon ru Wati wan ke bahar pe gru charu Tung lai nai Ya ke hari pan ke bunai Tung lai nai Ya ke hari pan ke bunai Oh la la Argentini thunno klao Iman kaishano buscango tonu Chirik bokro bai tung flajak jora Ongkor kachung bukaponu Shabo jeno shabo kuplayang no Joto ni kawo no shung lai ja Jani hamzang ma bodal no Orang kotor bai pan ru lai ja Shatung tung ke bahadli ko bon rui Wati wan ke bahar pe gru charu Tung lai nai Ya ke hari pan ke punai Tung lai nai Ya ke hari pan ke punai
So today's your birthday and you also came here in Tripura for a football match. What would be your message for the...
I think first of all I would like to thank the entire GTTCA organizers, the government, my friend Maharajaji for inviting me here. Very excited. I think this is the first time the league has happened, and hopefully I think it's the beginning. And it's good to be here. It's so nice to see so many fans, football lovers turning out to watch the finals. So very happy, and hopefully this is the start of football in Tripura, and I hope it will get bigger and bigger.
So perhaps this for the first time we can see that the TJDC administration is encouraging the youth for the sports. How do you react on it?
I think it's very important that we focus on sports, especially for the youth, because not just Tripura but entire Northeast, we need our. And hopefully, I think this TTDAC is going to set an example in Tripura, and that the rest of the states in the Northeast would copy. So I think it's a great initiative, and I would like to congratulate the organizers and the families.
The main agenda of this.
See, the main agenda was that there is in Tripura we only hear about Tripura only for elections or election related news, whether it is violence or somebody is won or somebody is lost. We want the 80% of Tripura, and especially the ADC areas, are young. We want our youth to also feel that they have a chance in society. There are other things, other avenues. Even for you guys in the media, you must be tired always interviewing old, boring politicians. So it's nice to see someone like Baichung Bhutia coming in, or it's nice to see someone like a Lucky Ali or a Papon coming for a music festival. Our idea is to encourage sports. Our idea is to encourage fitness. And our idea is also to tell our youth that drugs is not an option. With the rising cases of drug addiction in Tripura, we are very worried. We are very worried about indirectly HIV cases is rising because of this. So our idea is to ensure that more people come up front, more people take sports as a career. We have a role model like Baichung Bhutia, who himself is an indigenous Sikkimese, who has become the number one footballer that India has known in the last 50 years. And he's a role model for us. And he is someone from the Northeast, he is someone like us from the indigenous community. So people like them coming and supporting us, we have also very happy to announce that Baichung Bhutia has agreed to becoming the brand ambassador of the ADC government against drugs and against HIV. So he's agreed to become the brand ambassador. He will spread the message. We are also speaking about opening football academies. I want the youth of Tripura not just to become MDCs and MLAs or contractors, or they should also become footballers. They should also play in I-League. They should play in ISL. There is a huge career in sports. And if you can set up a football academy, we are talking on that. If you can set up a football academy run by footballers and not by politicians. If you can, so these are ideas that we are trying to work on. We are trying something different, and hopefully, if there is cooperation, if there is goodwill from the public, we will be able to succeed. Thank you.
Shabok Jenmo, Shabok Kuplayo no, Joto ni Kao no Shulai Ja, Jani Hamzang Mabodal no, Orang Kotor Bai Panrilai Ja, Shatung Tung Ke Bahadli Kobon Rui, Watiwan Ke Bahar Pegru Charu, Tung Lai Nai, Yakin Hari Fan Ke Bunai, Tung Lai Nai, Yakin Hari Fan Ke Bunai. Shani Kolom Pino Kiklayu, Lekani no Chung Mejene, re chere chung chi bi ya with choi sha mong go chung te ba lai na chele de chung no go a chu gui tong ya with chung no kha phai ching chung ya pri shera thương lại này ya thêm hari man ke punai thương lại này ya thêm hari man ke punai Baika happy ration Marika attention Đừng này rộng nô rư lại jack full attention Sabu paino sabu tenu Claim my your mansion Kiri mawana makupulung Joto ni emotion Ongkor kacung pini tung no klao Iman kerjana buskan gotone Ciri kontrol baik tung pelajar jora Ongkor kacung bekapone Shabo jeno shabo keplayono Joto ni kawono shulai ja Jani hamzang ma bodol no Korang kotor bai pan rilai ja Shatung tung ke mahadli ko bon rui Wati wa ke bahar pe gru charui